Oh, I'm so hungry.
Poor Mr. Light.
Oops, I'm not strong enough.
I wish I could have a family.
I've made...
I'm so hungry.
Oh, my stomach hurts so much. It came out of nowhere.
Huh? Oh.
Something's seriously wrong. Look at us.
Pink.
Hey, Mrs. Boggo's mom. Is Boggo here?
You must be famished. You
Bring them back again. Ow! That can't you?
What's going on with that?
Gosh, guys!
Is Mom okay? But I'm so hungry. Mom,
Oh man, that was delicious. If you guys could excuse me.
Oh, good. What's going on? Why do I feel so weird?
Right.
Come on.
Right.
Ah.
Starving! My stomach is begging me for some food! I'll have to sleep to forget about my other needs. Go get me.
I don't feel so good. Come on, guys.
Grumble, grumble.
I will do it.
No, please.
Miss.
That rocking sounds weird. Oh, my stomach's reminding me it's empty.
Ooh, Marvin, I'm starting to get hungry. What do you want to eat for?
I've eaten so much spaghetti.
Stomach's heating up. I think I'm having explosive diarrhea.
I'm so hungry. Great.
Oh, I think you won. Oh, I'm not playing these games.
Was like, yeah, apparently that ice cream cone wasn't.
Stop it.
Uh-oh.
Sounds like
All that running.